So amazingly, we just found in the previous video that we put here, I hope this is recording. It looks like it is. I see a little dot up there. So we found a city which at 55 degrees north latitude that was forecast to be 100 degrees, and we're going to try to find that city again. I think the city is, I think it's at Urtis. Is it? Yeah, that's the city. You can see it says 101. This city is 50. This is 53 degrees north latitude. And if we skip over to, let's say, the hottest part of the week, Thursday, when it's 103, look at this. This is when it's 103 on Thursday. You can even see, okay, you have that low pressure, which, okay, this is right before a front moves through. You could see the front moves through. But the question is, how does it get so hot in this city? So we look at there's only one airport in this city. I'm trying to figure, I don't know the country that it's in, but the name of the airport, and look at, it's not just hot. It's not just, this is even more amazing. It's not just that it's forecasted to be hot during this week with temperatures in the hundreds. Look at what the temperatures already were. It was 90 June 2nd, 93 June, Shabbos was 93, Sunday 97, 99 for today, 99 today. So over there, apparently, it's already tomorrow. So it says 77. That's because it's probably just tomorrow morning. It's only been 77 so far. We can actually go back before June 2nd, because this is May 30th. We're looking at May 30th. This is Tuesday. You can go the high temperature on May 31st. You know, the low, it started off at 46 in the morning, as you can see, and the temperatures hit on Tuesday. The high was only 82. Okay, Wednesday the high was 82. Thursday it started off at about 52 or so, and the high temperature Thursday hit 86. So the first day of it hitting 90 was Friday, June 2nd. Now up there they go by the Celsius system. In Celsius, the 86 degrees has significance because that's 30 degrees Celsius. So you have temperatures have been in the 90s for 4 consecutive days. They're going to remain in the 90s for the next 4 consecutive days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I think we saw that already. And let me just close the door over here. If the door opens, then it opens. So now the temperatures are actually hot, well north of this area. If I have battery power, then that's wonderful. Okay, 16% battery, so it's all good. So the temperatures are even hot, well north of. So this is 52 degrees north latitude. What we have to do is figure out the country. So if we keep going, so the name of the country is Kazakhstan. Could you see that? Because there's even a city in the country. So it's Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan, if that's the name of the country. Let's take it a little bit further north. We'll be able to, these temperatures are phenomenal. We're at 50, now we're at 55 degrees north latitude. We're headed up. We have a temperature. Let's see how far we can get up with a 90-degree reading. How far? Okay, we hit a 90-degree over here. This is about 56, almost 56. Let's see what this is. So you have, in this area, Wednesday at 1 p.m. That's going to be the hottest. This place is 59 degrees north latitude. Sunrise is at 4:16 a.m. Sunsets at 10:35 p.m. The elevation is 387 feet. The hottest day of the week. So unlike the other city where each and every day was over 100, this city is not as impressive. We're looking at this particular day, this is 5 Zulu time, and that's when we reach our peak over there for heat. We can get a much better feel if we want to see really where the heat is. Again, we go back. I didn't realize there's a place in the world which is getting hundreds that far north. We go to the extreme forecast here. We go to temperature. So we're going to look at Wednesday. So this is at 60 degrees north latitude. Let's see if, okay, 60 degrees north latitude. And you have Thursday, the heat goes way down, and Friday it goes down, and Saturday it goes down. So it looks like Wednesday, let's see what it is there. Let's see what's going on there. So you have, in this city, you have Tuesday is really the hottest day. Tuesday at 4 p.m. That's just tomorrow. And we'll see the temperatures in this area will be at 94 degrees. So very, very hot weather. And here we're at 60 degrees. I'm trying to get to 90 at 60 degrees north latitude. We're at, this is, you can't even say what the name of that place is, but you have Tuesday's temperature, 4 p.m. in that city, 91 degrees. And this is 59 degrees north latitude. So it's pretty far up, 91. And again, the real serious heat comes in for that city, which we said in the beginning. The city, it's Ertis, Zakastan. That's all these hundreds, and it's already been several consecutive days. Starting Thursday, it's been in the 90s. Thursday, Friday, Shabbos, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So when all said and done, they're going to have 8 days in the 90s with 3 consecutive days in the hundreds if this materializes. So, you know, Thursday, with Thursday being the hottest, so this is this is really phenomenal stuff. Now, let's take a look. Let's just see what the dew points are. And so the dew points are very low. The dew points. Now, this is, we could also do something really cool over here. We could look at, oh, I think the recording ended. It's possible this recording just ended. And in that case, no, it's still going. The recording's still going. So if we look at all the forecasts, so you see the GFS is forecasting temperatures to be, so the European says a high of 101 on Tuesday. GFS says 96. The Icon says 101. The Switzerland one, Meteo Blue, says 99. Let's put it for the 1 hour forecasts. That actually you can only get with a subscription. But we have it here. So we have the GFS says 96, European 101, the Icon 101, Switzerland 99. So most of them are saying 101 to 99, somewhere around there, somewhere around 100 degrees. And then the next day we have 103, 102, 100, and the GFS again is the lowest, which is 96. This is extremely hot. I mean, and it goes further north than this, the hundreds. Let's try to figure out how far north do these hundreds go. I mean, how far north do they go? We're gonna go to Wednesday. Let's go to Wednesday at Wednesday's peak heating. And now do we have any 50? I'm sure we have a place that said 55. That area looks super hot. This is there. We have a 99. This place, we're going to go back to the basic model here so we could easily see. So this place we have a high of 99 on Wednesday at 1 p.m. And this place is, I can't read the name of the place, but this place is 56 degrees north latitude. As you can see, sunrise is at 3:33 a.m. Sunsets at 9 o'clock p.m. Elevation's 206 feet. And you have, so we don't have hundreds there, but we have very close. We have a 99. We don't have those consecutive hundreds. They're not, Wednesday in this place isn't going to be hot. That other city it will be. But this is definitely, now what country is this in? So we're just going to type in, let's go here again. All right, so usually there's an easier way. Okay, let's find a city here. And so there's a city, Belagani. Let's type in Belagani. Belagani. I don't know. Is this, it's spelled differently, but maybe that's it. That's not it. Okay, so I think we lost the city. We'll go back here. This is that city. So we're going to go all the way up to 56. Let's do okay, right there. We have Wednesday, 2 p.m. in that city, 96 degrees. We can go, wow, very far north. We can pull off the mid-90s. Kargasak region. The Kargasak region with the hottest temperature, 4 p.m. And this city is 58 degrees north latitude. The problem is it's not letting us. Okay, we can go even further north. So let's look at, it could be the thing paused. It doesn't tell us a station. I just heard a beep, so am I not recording anymore? Did I stop? No, I'm still recording. Okay. So, okay, the name of the city there's like no cities here. Here we have a city. This is 59 degrees. The name of the city is, see, how do you say that in English? Katiga? No. Is it? I doubt it. No, that's not it. It's to figure out where these places are. So we have, see, Urtis, you can, okay, let's go up. Fine, Karaman. We'll take it one step at a time. Okay, this city, we can look at the actual, it's Omsk Central Airport. Okay, high temperatures were 93 Friday, 95 Shabbos, 97, 99. Today it's already 84, but I'm sure it's going to get much hotter than that. As we see, the city again, this is Omsk. Now if I type it in, we can finally have English. So this is Russia. This is actually Russia. Omsk district, Russia. This is in Russia. Forecast highs. It's already been in the 90s for the past 4 days. 90s again today, tomorrow. 93. That's what's forecasted to happen. So this is all in Russia. You could go much further north than that. Znamenskoye. Znamenskoye. Let's see if they do it in English. Znamenskoye. No. No. This is all. Okay, we'll go back to the Omsk, and then we have to find an English city. Okay, will it take Tevets? Tevets. Why does it have to spell it in such a strange way? Tevets. Tevis. Linguini. I don't know. So if you don't know Russian, you're stuck. But all of these places, this is where it's at. If only I knew Russian. 99. Look, this place is, where is this? Like in the Arctic coast? Oh. No, it's not. It's 55 degrees. Alright, so Barnevka. Barnevka. So in that case, what has to be done is we go here, we go to Barnevka, and they might have it. Barnevka. And then we'll, okay, that might be it. That might be it. Yeah, that's probably it. So and then, okay, so they have mostly sunny and very hot, extreme heat. Okay, high 97. Increasing cloudiness and very hot, extreme heat can be dangerous, high of 100. And then the heat ends after that. Okay, that's AccuWeather. And it tells you on the map where this is. And right, so this is also, that's where it is. Omsk is there, north. So could it be that the Kazakhstan province, maybe? Maybe that is. Maybe that is in Russia. These are the temperatures as of 7:15, 7:30 a.m. It takes you up to what it is now. Okay, 9 a.m. You can see how hot it's getting down there. 10 a.m., 10:30, 11 a.m., 11:30 a.m. to noon. Okay, at 1 o'clock p.m. I don't know what these temperatures, but they look very, very hot. Makinsk or Tayinsha. Let's see what it is there. Tayinsha. Yeah. So Tayinsha, high of 103. High of 103. High of 102 tomorrow. These cities are very far north. How far north is it? Let's see. We have, maybe would this map tell us? This should tell us. I see the latitude, the longitude. You have so no, that can't be where it is. That's not it. It's not in the middle of the ocean. Okay, so maybe that is where it is. So what's the latitude and longitude? It's not labeled. Alright, latitude and longitude, very easy, because we have it over here. We have it right here. What did we say? It's further north than here, so it's it's way up there. It's 56. It's way up here. Okay, so extreme heat is occurring in many of these places. Alright, so the truth is though, I wanted to really cover the let's go back to Chicago if I'm still recording, and if I'm not, then I wish everyone a wonderful day, and thanks for listening. Let's go back. Let's just go back to Chicago, and that's not Chicago. Let's go to Kankakee, because they're not influenced by the lake, so it's just easier. They're not as influenced by the lake. Alright, so we see the temperatures. We have a cool down a little bit, and then we warm up again Friday and Shabbos. Okay. And you see 4 p.m. Friday. Actually, amazingly, Chicago will finally be under southwest winds, according to this. Amazing. We finally get southwest winds. And here we can go. You see we stay warm for the weekend, and then according to the European model, things cool off again by Sunday and Monday of next week. We could look at the other models too, but we've been doing this for long enough. But the peak would be for Chicago, Shabbos afternoon, 4 p.m., 86 degrees. And if we look elsewhere around, let's go to St. Louis, okay. St. Louis, we're looking at 94. Let's look at the dew points. Super dry. But the dew points but I think the GFS might be more accurate when it comes to dew points for some reason. So let's just look at the GFS dew points. Okay, that's more typical for St. Louis. 67. The European has 40s. But the GFS also brings those temperatures way down. High of 85. European had a high of 95, but it's all because of the low dew points. That's all connected to the dew points. So the European, maybe let's go back to the European. One thing that I wanted to look at is the drought monitor. You see the drought monitor here in the Midwest. So we see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it looks like it's going to get much smaller by the time Shabbos comes along. But if you see these cities, you'll see that's as high as it gets. So in Chicago, there actually is no drought. So it's amazing. And then when you head to Kankakee, it's at the level of a 3. In Peoria, it's already extreme. In St. Louis, it's minor. And then we have that area we've been talking about a lot, Burlington, those places. There are places out here by Pennsylvania, New York, those areas. And we have the wildfire locations up there. Alaska looks fine. And check the desert Southwest. And amazingly, we don't see any drought at all in the desert Southwest. And that will bring this to an end. Thank you for listening. I wish everyone a great night. Have a great week.